Hi everyone, my name is Dante Delgado. I'm 23 years old and I live in Mexico City. I studied international relations at the UNAM and I'm interested in nuclear energy, the environment, international cooperation, sustainable development, and social movements. The United Nations General Assembly is an international institution for understanding the current and international system. It serves as a forum for depth and representation among member states, but unfortunately it doesn't have the coercive power needed to solve global problems. Some of the most important depths focus on building a better future, including the sustainable development, climate change, nuclear disarmament, poverty, and inequality. It's also a space where countries willing to cooperate can build consensus. Being part of the Mexican delegation would be a unique opportunity. It would allow me to apply academic knowledge and connect with people who share my interests and motivations regarding international cooperation for development. It would also like to share my perspective and advantages for using nuclear energy to help achieve the sustainable development goals. As a young internationalist, attending the General Assembly while representing my country will mean an important personal and professional goal. Thanks for listening.